Craving a Big Mac, but don't feel like leaving the house or dealing with those pesky drive-thru lines? No problem. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own Big Mac right at home. Let's get started. First, you'll need 2 all-beef patties. Now, you could just use regular old ground beef, but let's be real, it's not a real Big Mac without those special beef patties. So, I like to add a little something extra to give it that authentic McDonald's flavor. Here's my secret ingredient, a packet of onion soup mix. Just mix it into your ground beef before shaping it into patties and cooking them on the stove or grill. Next up, the special sauce. Now, I could give you a recipe for a homemade version, but let's be real, it's just not the same without the real deal. So, I like to just swing by my local McDonald's and pick up a few packets of their special sauce. Shh, don't tell them I told you that. But if you're feeling ambitious and want to try making your own special sauce, here's a recipe that comes pretty close to the real thing. You'll need mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, yellow mustard, white vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Just mix all these ingredients together and you're good to go. Now for the rest of the ingredients: lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and sesame seed buns. You can't go wrong with the classic combination, but feel free to get creative and add any additional toppings you like. I like to add a little lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions to the bottom bun. Then, I add a beef patty, a generous helping of special sauce, and another layer of lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions. Then, I add a beef patty, a generous helping of special sauce, and another layer of lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions. Finally, I top it off with the other beef patty and the top bun. And there you have it, a homemade Big Mac. Now all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy your delicious creation.